Hey guys, today we're gonna make some quick lunch with these rolled oats. Yeah, they're super easy, super fast, and they'll increase your body metabolism rate. And it's better to consume oats in any time of the day, like breakfast, lunch, dinner. So yeah, let us walk through the ingredients. So they're very basic actually. I've just chopped a few green chili. This is minced garlic, green peas, dried curry leaves, coriander, grated carrots, and handful. And here is some turmeric and black pepper, and this is sea salt and olive oil. So here I'm taking the rolled oats. I'm taking here 1 cup of rolled oats. Pan got heated up and I just added a tablespoon of olive oil. You add the tempering ingredients. So I added dried curry leaves and I'm adding some peanuts. Yeah, sometimes the things which are not in the ingredient list goes into the pan extemporaneously. I'm gonna add minced garlic, freshly minced. Give it a stir. Now I'm gonna add green chili. Always keep distance from green chili when they are in the pan. Looks like this is an ASMR video. To add little green peas. I'm gonna add a splash of water just to add the dry ingredients. Now goes a little bit of turmeric. Next add some black pepper. I'm not going very precise about the measurements, just give it as per your taste. Now I'm gonna add some grated carrot. Give it a stir. I'm gonna add a little bit of brown sugar. Yeah, I didn't mention it in the ingredients as well. So yeah, goes in. Nice. The color changes a little bit because of the brown sugar. I'm gonna add crushed sea salt. For 1 cup of oats, you need 1.5 cup of water. So I already added half cup, and now I'm gonna add 1 full cup of water. Give it a stir and wait until it comes to boiling. See, everything comes to a boiling point. Now it's the time to add our rolled oats. Just pour it. Give it a good stir. I guess the water should be sufficient. I'm gonna close the lid and put it on medium flame for 5 minutes. I just kept them for 5 minutes and they are perfectly done, but there's still some moisture in the oats because of brown sugar, salt and all. So I'm not going to close the lid now. I'm just waiting for them to get dry and until the moisture is done. You can add some nuts if you wish to. Over here are the perfectly cooked oats. If you can see, the peanuts are not fried. The carrot has its taste and texture. If you see, we haven't fried any of the vegetable or any of the ingredient. We have just cooked them, and all the minerals stay with that. Okay, place it with the fresh coriander and let's go for a taste test. It's a perfect fast lunch that you can make it. It tastes amazing.